Assalamu alaikum. Starting with the name of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to explain how can you export REVIT files to robot and ETABS. So let's start. Here is the project which is drawn from this sheet. I done this before doing this tutorial. For this we have need to add in. First one is export to ETABS and second one is robot structure analysis. For this you have to go to one internet browser, then type apps.autodesk.com, click enter, then from the store search with export ETABS export to ETABS. Click this one, then download this. Make sure that you have signed in this Autodesk App Store, then download this export to ETABS. After downloading it, come to Revit, then click add in, then export. There is a plugin name, that is the extension for the downloaded files, export to ETABS. Then after downloading it, then again back to the Autodesk App Store, then type structural toolkit, this is the Autodesk Revit 2020. Make sure that which Revit version you have using. According to this, download a structure analysis toolkit 2020. If you use 2020 Revit version, then download 2020. I am using 2020, that's why I downloaded this structure analysis toolkit 2020. So according to your Revit version, download any of those. After downloading this, when you open Revit file, then click analyze, then you have seen this plugin extension in the Revit folder. In this Revit files, robot structural analysis. After doing both, then I am now showing how to export to ETABS. For this you need to click export to ETABS, then export desktop ETABS, open, name the project, suppose structural project, save this, then automatically export to this folder. In the meantime, you can open ETABS software. Here is the finished exporting. Okay, then open ETABS software, file, import etabs.e2k text file, structural project which I have been saved before. Okay, wait for some time, and here is my file which I have completed in Revit, the project, and this is imported to ETABS. Now I will show you how to export it to robot structure analysis. Click analyze, robot structural analysis, then in this direction of integration with Autodesk robot structure analysis, click send model. In the type of integration, direct integration, there is another option, send to intermediate file .smxx. This prototype is used basically for just first save this file into .smxx, then open the robot structure analysis through .smxx file. Okay, exporting. Wait for some time. Imported from the Revit files. So here is both ETABS file and robot